Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view how much you've watched YouTube in the last 7 days on your iPhone. So let's go on over to the YouTube application and select this and open it up. Now go to the bottom right and select your profile. So it says you and then your picture. Select that. Open up this page and use your finger and scroll on down to the bottom. It says time watched on the bottom here. Select this. Open it up. It says I have 0 minutes watched today and 0 minutes watched in the last 7 days. So this is going to be dependent on your account that you're currently logged into. So if you're watching on the TV with your account, it should display the same information on your phone. So I haven't watched anything on this account yet, so nothing is showing up. So stats are based on your watch history across YouTube products, except YouTube Music and YouTube TV. Scroll on down, and then you have Remind Me to Take a Break as an option, Remind Me When It's Bedtime, and autoplay on mobile/tablet devices. So you get that nice bar graph right there showing you all the information, and it'll give you your daily average. So just take a look. It's kind of cool to see how much you've been watching YouTube. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.